Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into creating an inventory list in Notion, your 2025 full guide. First up, we need to open a new page in Notion. This is our blank canvas, where we'll create our inventory list. It's important to start fresh to keep everything organized and uncluttered. Now that we've done that, let's add a title. Simply click Untitled at the top and type in Inventory List. The reason we do this is to clearly identify the page and its contents, making it easier to find in future. Next, click on the body of the page and choose Table from the block menu on the left, then Inline. This helps us because it allows us to create a structured layout, perfect for an inventory list. This next step is crucial, customizing our table columns. Click on the Name column, then Property Type, and change it to Text. The other columns can be customized according to what you need: price, quantity, etc. Let me explain why this matters. Each column represents a category of information, so we need to tailor them to our inventory needs. Finally, it's time to input our inventory items. Simply type in the details into each column for each item. It's that simple. This is the heart of our inventory list, where we track our items and their details. And there you have it, your very own inventory list in Notion. Remember, this is just the basic setup. You can further customize and tweak it to perfectly suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy organizing.